All right, here's the updated spider exercise. The first one was like that, and then you move up your finger one at a time, leaving your other fingers not moving. All right, so let's say this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers on 5, 6, 7, 8 fret on the first string. Now move your index finger up the second string without moving your third, fourth, and second, third, and fourth finger. Okay, so like that, it should sound. Second up, third up, fourth up. Do it again on the third string. Okay, plucking down, up to you. Alternate or just down strokes, that's fine. Or even up strokes is fine too. Okay, and then move it up to the fourth string. Like that. And then try to relax. I know it's not relaxing when you're trying to exercise, but these are not too relaxed. But what I mean when relaxed is your shoulders, your elbows, your wrist is relaxed somehow. And the only energy or pressure you're applying on is the fingertips. Okay, so again, here, on the fifth, and then sixth. Yeah, I just played it faster, but don't play it that fast. Up to you if you can do that, that's fine, that's great. Now, downwards is the problem, right? When you put your finger down on the fifth string, and all your fingers are on the sixth string, if one of your fingers from the second, third, and fourth finger is touching the fifth string, you won't hear anything. That's the challenge. That's actually the most important challenge here, because you'll feel, this is now, from now on, a feel thingy. So you're gonna have to look and feel for that finger that's touching the fifth string. Maybe all of them are touching it, right? So you're gonna curl your fingers more. And see if, don't move your first finger, put it back to the sixth string first, and see if you can pluck that fifth string open without muting it, okay? Now, when I pluck it, it's ringing correctly, right? But I can still feel the fifth string touching some of my fingers, especially my middle finger. And also my first finger, I can feel it, okay? So try to feel what's touching it and bend it or curl it more. There, you see my fingers are still touching, all of them are still on the sixth string. And now I can play the fifth string by clearing it like this. You're curling it more, right? There. And now try it now with your first finger down on the fifth string now. Okay? And then relax. Try to remember that shape or that feeling. You got it right. Now attempt second finger. Okay, and then relax. Once you got it, relax. Just relax. Now you can relieve the pressure for now. Just put your fingers on the surface of the strings, which is fine. And then put pressure again. Now try it with the third finger. I got it. And then your pinky. Do the same thing down to the fourth string from the fifth string. And then to the third string. Alright, and then second. And first. Now I can play it faster because I've been practicing it, but for you as a beginner, take your time. If you get frustrated, take a break. Just stop, take a minute or 2 minutes, and then get back to it again when you're relaxed. And don't forget to breathe. Always breathe and remind yourself constantly to relax. Okay, relax your shoulders, your neck, the rest of your body, and point your energy towards the fingertips of your fretting hand. Okay, so here it is again. I'll just play it faster at the same time, so. That's going up, now going down now. Like that, okay? So yeah, I hope this helps you out, and good luck on your guitar journey. I'll see you in the next one.